Hi everyone, my name is Amitesh and in this video we're going to prove the following beautiful theorem. It says that 2 to the n is equal to n choose 0 plus n choose 1 plus n choose 2 plus ... plus n choose n. Now what's beautiful about this is, just to quickly recall, n choose I is the number of people. So if you have n people, it's the number of I member committees among n people. That is what n choose I is. And so for example, if you have like 10 people and you have 2 member committees, how many ways are there of choosing 2 people to be in a committee out of those 10 people? That is 10 choose 2, and the answer is actually 45. So assuming that we know that that's n choose I, that's the definition of n choose I, you have this beautiful formula here, and the proof of the formula is going to be based on the famous binomial theorem, the generalized binomial theorem. So I've got a video on that in my channel, please check out, links in the description. Let's use the theorem. So first quote, what is the binomial theorem? So the generalized binomial theorem gives us a formula for a plus b to the n. It's going to equal to sum I equals 0 to n of n choose I times a to the n minus I times b to the I. That's the theorem. So another way of writing it, this is in summation notation, but another way of writing it is it's going to be n choose 0 times a to the n plus n choose 1 times a to the n minus 1 times b plus n choose 2 times a to the n minus 2 times b squared plus all the way up to n choose n times b to the n. That is what the binomial theorem tells us. So now all we have to do is just plug in a equals to 1 and b equals to 1. So if you say a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1, then you're going to get that 2 to the n is equal to 1 plus 1 to the n. And you plug into that theorem over there, the binomial theorem, we're just going to get sum I equals 0 to n of n choose I times 1 to the n minus I times 1 to the I. And of course 1 to the n minus I times 1 to the I is just 1 to the n, and which is just 1. So this is going to be equal to the sum I equals 0 to n of n choose I, which is just going to equal to n choose 0 plus n choose 1 plus all the way up to n choose n. So that's the proof of that theorem over there, just follows from the generalized binomial theorem. It's a pretty cool proof. We've just filled up the board and done it. I hope you loved that video of a cool math proof and a cool math fact. Please check out my video on the generalized binomial theorem and also on the n choose I's to really understand what they are. And please leave a like and subscribe, means a lot to me, helps me grow my channel, whose goal is to create free accessible math education worldwide. And by liking and subscribing, you really help me out to help other people to really learn, enjoy, and benefit math of all ages and all backgrounds. So I wish you all the best wherever you are, and I'm super excited to see you soon. Drop me a comment down below. See you in the next video.